Hey guys, happy Monday. Another rough start to the week. We are down $168, and we're just continuing to go down. On the week, we are down $406, about 3%, a little over 3%. On the month, we're down $523, down 4.21%. 3 months, we're down 4.2% as well. On the year to date, we are down $207, and this is the lowest that we have been in 2025. Our previous was 12,027 back in January the 12th, but we just crossed that, and we are down into that 11,000 mark. Past year, we are up 2,000, and then all time we are still green. We're still up 40% all time, so gonna keep taking advantage of these red days. Going to keep dollar cost averaging into some of my favorite companies, taking advantage of this, buying those discounts, and not look on the bad side of things like, oh, no, we're down, because I have a lot more time left in the market. So looking at our portfolio, let's switch this to today's return for everything. So for our crypto, we are down $3 on Bitcoin today and about $1 on Ethereum. Looking at our portfolio, there is quite a bit of green, actually. Johnson & Johnson, Snap-on, ExxonMobil, Realty Income, and SPHD are all green. SPHD is up 1% today. Realty Income up 1.25%. Realty Income having an amazing 1 month. Looking at this chart, the 1 month chart, up almost 10%. Realty Income. We did cross into the green for our total return on Realty Income. So it's pretty cool to see Realty Income having a pretty good past month. Looking on ExxonMobil, up 2% today. Very good day for Exxon. They were all the way up to 3%. We are up all time on Exxon, up 124%. So just going to hold on Exxon. Probably going to start some recurring investments back into Exxon. But it's having a pretty good green year overall. So just kind of been waiting for the right time on Exxon. And then SPHD, we're still green on as well. SPHD was one of my first pickups in this dividend portfolio. We're up about 20% on it. Looking at Snap-on and Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson also having an amazing 1 month, up 9.37% as well. And an even better 3 months, up 12.71%. Johnson & Johnson is one of the companies that I've been dollar cost averaging since last March. So officially 1 year this month. I've been talking about selling Johnson & Johnson for a while now, but I decided to keep up those recurring investments and just keep dollar cost averaging into it. And I'm pretty sure it's above Snap-on now for our total return. So our total return, not too good, up $45 or 10%. We did start once again back in March of last year, so about a little lower than it is now. But our average cost is $153.40. Definitely helped with that recent dip at the start of the year with that average cost. But we are up 10% on Johnson & Johnson. We were up quite a bit on Snap-on. We're up 15% now. That year to date, let's look at the 1 year. So last year during December and late November, early December, they were up very high, around 370. It's a little pullback going on right now, down to 343, but my average cost is still 298. We did start buying this in March as well. So as you can see, 290, dipped all the way down, 250, and Snap-on's been having an amazing 1 year. And then, of course, SCHD, this is our most recent pickup in the portfolio. We are having a green day on that, up 0.66%. And then on the 3 months, we're red, 1 month green. And then year to date, they are also green, up 4.28%. We are up 2.16 on SCHD. Going to switch quickly to total return. Total return, we are down on JEPQ, down $53. We were up on JEPQ. Just having a pretty rough year to date. But we were up on that. We were also up on Triple Q, also having a very rough year to date. Even looking at VU, they are having a pretty rough year to date, down 4%. Not as bad as Triple Q, but we are red on JEPI, Triple Q, JEPQ, and YMAX. And we're just going to keep dollar cost averaging into these, keep throwing those recurring investments into them, get those discounts, and just keep collecting those dividends, because I do believe in these companies long term, and we're just going to keep getting these dividends. So recurring investments, $2 into JEPI, 3 into JEPQ, 2 into Johnson & Johnson, 1 into Realty Income, 5 into Triple Q, 2 into SCHD, 2 into Snap-on, 1 into SPHD, 6 into VU, and 1 into YMAX. I'm going to be showing you guys my public portfolio, since I haven't showed that in quite a while now. We are down even bigger on that portfolio, I think mainly due to Tesla, but we'll be taking a look over there. We're going to hop into that and compare these two portfolios and see which one's down more. I'm pretty sure it's that one, but just going to go off that year-to-date. 1.72 on this one. And then comparing it to the public one, down 16.3%, so not even close to what we're down on Robinhood. 6 months, down 16%. 3 months, we are down 17%. 1 month, down 15%. 1 week, down 6%. And then today, we are down 5.25%. Public definitely taking a pretty big hit. We would be up into the 500, about 550, if that year-to-date hasn't been so rough. But this is what the portfolio is looking like. Tesla just absolutely... We're down 37% on Tesla, down 11%. And you could just see the whole portfolio. Apple, Meta, Google, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, everything just taking a hit. Mainly Tesla and Apple, along with Meta. But definitely believe in mostly all these, pretty much all these, long term. So I'm just going to keep throwing money into this. Probably going to up my my weekly investment on this, just to throw some more money into this portfolio, especially while this market's down. Because just looking at this portfolio, everything in here, I do believe in long term, trusted, just very trusted companies, and I want to see what we can do with it. And while people are scared selling, I'm going to be doubling down and upping these investments. Probably especially going hard into Apple, Tesla, maybe Amazon, but everything else is probably going to stay the same. But we'll see. I'll definitely update you guys on that when I do make that move, but we'll see. But anyways, guys, hope you guys liked this video. I have been getting a lot of eBay orders recently. Did get, I think, 4 on Saturday. I think 1 yesterday. So ended up shipping those out this morning. But that's mainly why the YouTube videos have slowed down. You'd think they'd increase since I've been doing more things. But I just haven't picked up the camera, haven't recorded my journey. So I'm going to start doing that. Posting what I want to, or like posting what I enjoy doing. Obviously, investing is what I enjoy doing, but also making money with eBay and all that stuff, I also do enjoy. So I'm going to start recording that and start sharing it with you guys. So I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'm going to start getting kind of back into the daily uploads. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.